Okay, so now that you have the scenario and a table of values, we are actually going to graph our data table. So, same drill, XY axis. I only have positive inputs and positive outputs here, but whatever you have, go ahead and create an XY axis for it. So again, we need to label everything, right? We have our, x-axis for me are my weeks, and y-axis are my people that I've hopefully talked to. Here, I can use this. There we go. So you already have graphing paper, notebooks. You just need to label your X, your Y, your and what they are, what they represent. So for me, my x-axis represents my weeks. And then my y-axis represents the number of people talked to about mental health. Okay. So the number of weeks only goes up to 4, so I'm gonna maybe make every 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna make every 5 tick marks 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 1 week. Let's kind of zoom out so you can see this a little better. Okay, here we go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, week 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, week 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, week 3. And then week 4. Okay? So then remember, the very first week, and this is supposed to be 80. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So maybe I'll make every one of them 5. This is 5, 10, 15, and so on. Okay, so remember the first week, I really haven't talked to anybody except for the 3 people I said I would talk to. And then by the second week, those 3 people have talked to 3 people each, so that's 9 people. And then third week, hopefully those 9 people each have talked to 3 people, so then 27, 15, 20, 25, 27. And then by the 4th week, all of those 27 people have each talked to 3 more people each, so that's 81. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81. Okay, so as you can see, this kind of graph grows really quickly. At first, it's just 3 people, 9 people, and then after 4 weeks, it was suddenly 81 people. And then imagine the 5th week, if we kept this going, each of those 81 people would talk to 3 people each, and that blows up really quickly over time. So this is obviously a very different graph from a linear function, which changes at a constant rate of change. Exponential functions, because they are growing, they are being multiplied every input rather than adding on every input. The graph grows much faster. So For your data table that you created for your scenario, I would like for you to go ahead and create a graph in your notebook. Make sure you graph what your you label what your x-axis is and what your y-axis represents. Graph your points and then take a photo of your graph in your notebook and upload it on Dreamseed.